The impact of human activities on climate, understanding our environmental footprint. Our planet Earth is like a delicately balanced machine, with many interconnected parts working together to create the perfect conditions for life. However, human activities over the past few centuries have begun to disrupt this balance in significant ways. Let's explore how our actions affect the climate and what we can do to help protect our planet. Understanding fossil fuels and their impact. Imagine a time capsule buried deep underground. Fossil fuels are exactly that. They're the remains of ancient plants and animals that lived millions of years ago, transformed by heat and pressure into coal, oil, and natural gas. When we burn these fuels for energy to power our cars, heat our homes, or run factories, we release carbon dioxide that has been locked away for millions of years. Think of it this way. If the Earth's atmosphere is like a blanket keeping us warm, adding more carbon dioxide is like adding extra layers to that blanket. The more layers we add, the warmer it gets underneath. This is why we call carbon dioxide a greenhouse gas. It traps heat in our atmosphere, leading to what we call global warming. The carbon footprint, understanding our personal impact. Every one of us leaves what scientists call a carbon footprint. Imagine it's like leaving footprints in the sand. Except these footprints show how much carbon dioxide our daily activities release into the atmosphere. Your carbon footprint includes things like the energy used to heat and cool your home, the fuel used in cars that transport you, the electricity used to power your devices, the energy used to produce the food you eat and the clothes you wear. Making smart choices can help reduce your carbon footprint. For example, walking or biking instead of driving, turning off lights when leaving a room, or eating locally grown food can all help reduce the amount of greenhouse gases we release into the atmosphere. Deforestation, the loss of Earth's green lungs. Trees are like the Earth's lungs. They breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. They also store carbon in their trunks, branches, and roots. When we cut down forests, deforestation, we lose these natural carbon absorbers, and when trees are burned or left to decay, they release their stored carbon back into the atmosphere. Deforestation happens for many reasons: to clear land for farming, to build houses and roads, or to use the wood for paper and furniture. Each year, we lose forests the size of many football fields, which means we're not only adding more carbon dioxide to the atmosphere but also reducing Earth's ability to absorb it. The chain reaction of climate change. When we add more greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, it starts a chain reaction of changes. Rising temperatures. As more heat gets trapped in the atmosphere, global temperatures rise. This doesn't just mean warmer days, it can lead to more severe heat waves, changes in rainfall patterns, and more extreme weather events. Melting ice. Warmer temperatures cause ice at the Earth's poles to melt. This leads to rising sea levels, which can flood coastal areas and islands. The bright white ice also helps reflect sunlight back into space, so losing it means Earth absorbs even more heat. Ocean changes. As oceans warm and absorb more carbon dioxide, they become more acidic. This makes it harder for many sea creatures, like coral reefs and shellfish, to survive. The changing ocean temperatures also affect weather patterns and marine ecosystems, making a difference through daily choices. The good news is that we can all help reduce our impact on the climate through the choices we make every day. Think of it like a piggy bank. Every small action adds up to make a big difference. Here are some ways we can help. Energy smart, using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights and devices when not in use, and using natural light when possible can reduce our energy consumption. Transportation choices, walking, biking, using public transportation, or carpooling can significantly reduce the amount of greenhouse gases we produce. Waste less, reducing, reusing, and recycling helps decrease the energy needed to make new products and reduces the amount of waste in landfills. Plant more. Growing trees and plants, even in small spaces like balconies or windowsills, helps absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The role of technology and innovation. Scientists and engineers are working hard to develop new technologies that can help us reduce our impact on the climate. Solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles are becoming more common and efficient. These innovations help us meet our energy needs while releasing fewer greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Looking to the future. Understanding how our actions affect the climate is the first step toward making positive changes. While the challenges of climate change may seem overwhelming, remember that every person's actions matter. By making conscious choices about how we live and use resources, we can help protect our planet for future generations. The Earth is our only home, and by working together, we can make a difference in preserving it for everyone.